Good evening everyone. So today I'm going for dinner at this restaurant. I'm in Kota Damansara, Petaling Jaya. So this restaurant is the Balinese cuisine that my family is actually favorite of this restaurant. My parents like to come here too. So let's go.
Kopi Bali. Got lemongrass. Yeah. There's two lah. Oh, tu jangan. Yeah, I saw that. Kelas rasa sejuk. Remember the Jaya? Remember the Jaya? Mami? That's right.
Lady also. Satu okey ni. Oh, yes, get the soya and the soy, the sweet soy sauce. One packet each. Yeah. Nasi. What rice you want? White rice, like IP rice.
This is right. Best.
We can get one of each. Yeah.
Orange.
Grilled mushroom. And then drinks.
This is their famous teh serai. Lemongrass tea. Serai is lemongrass. Hot one. Very nice.
The garlic pudding.
Bali ah.
Yeah, the Bali.
Okay, so dinner is served. This is how it looks like. There is the set. This is definitely for sharing. Alone, you cannot finish it. What is this? Oh, this one? This is the mushroom. Okay. Pork satay, look at that.
What's that? Fish.
So that's it for the Uma restaurant today. I hope that you have enjoyed the colorful feast and also the environment of the restaurant. It's really beautiful. The food is even more delicious actually when you actually bring your friends and family along. As you can see on the menu, is highly suitable for friends and family. Maybe 3 to 4 people, you can enjoy a meal. Okay. As usual, I'll leave the address in location in the description down below. Do check it out. Until then, this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.